Ever wondered why your gaming chair loses its charm so fast? Today, we're diving into the top 5 gaming chair covers that protect, refresh, and upgrade your setup instantly. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll know exactly which cover fits your chair perfectly, and you can grab them through the links in the description. On number 5 is CACXKEP Gaming Chair. Did you know that most gaming chairs lose their sleek look within months because of scratches, dust, and daily wear? That's where the CACXKEP Gaming Chair steps in as a game changer. Tested for real-world comfort, this chair doesn't just support your posture, it transforms your gaming setup with ease. The soft polyester and spandex blend feels incredibly smooth against your skin while remaining breathable, making marathon sessions surprisingly comfortable. Unlike ordinary chair covers, its elastic design hugs every curve, including armrests, keeping your chair secure and slip-free. The built-in zippers are a thoughtful touch, making installation simple and ensuring the cover stays in place, even during intense gaming moments. What's more, it's fully washable, giving you peace of mind against spills, pet hair, and dust. Compared with others in its category, this cover offers superior protection without compromising style, instantly giving even a worn chair a fresh, sleek look. For anyone who values both functionality and aesthetics, the CACXKEP Gaming Chair is a smart choice, durable, stylish, and practical. It's perfect for gamers who want comfort, protection, and a polished setup all in one. At number 4 is QUZDLM Gaming Chair Cover. Did you know that the average gaming chair can start showing scratches, stains, and wear within just a few months of use? That's where the QUZDLM Gaming Chair Cover comes in. Tested for real-world comfort and designed to solve this very problem. Made from 92% polyester and 8% spandex, it feels soft, breathable, and surprisingly durable, wrapping your chair in a snug fit that protects against pet scratches, spills, and daily wear. The high-quality zipper and retractable design make installation effortless. You simply slide it on, and it stays firmly in place without awkward slipping, giving you peace of mind while you game. Compared with others in its category, this cover combines protection with style, instantly renewing a worn-out chair's look. Cleaning is a breeze too. Machine wash cold, tumble dry low, no bleach, no dry cleaning needed. At just $19.99, it's a smart, budget-friendly choice for any gamer seeking durability, comfort, and aesthetics. For anyone wanting a secure, stylish, and protective cover, this one is absolutely worth it. But if your chair is oversized or unusually shaped, be cautious. Fit is key. On number 3 is YAWARAKY slipcovers. Did you know that even high-end gaming chairs can lose their charm in just a few months due to scratches, dust, and daily wear? That's where the YAWARAKY slipcover comes in, tested for real-world comfort and designed to solve that exact problem. Crafted from 59% cotton, polyester, and spandex, it strikes a perfect balance of softness, breathability, and elasticity, wrapping your chair snugly while keeping you cool during long sessions. The thick, durable fabric provides comprehensive protection against abrasion, pet scratches, and spills, giving you peace of mind and a fresh look for your setup. Installation is surprisingly simple thanks to the elastic design, high-quality zipper, and snap configuration, ensuring a secure fit without awkward slipping. Compared with others in the same category, this cover feels more premium and adaptable, instantly renewing worn-out chairs while maintaining comfort. Priced at $48.44, it's an investment in durability, style, and ease of maintenance. For gamers who want protection, comfort, and a polished look, this is a smart choice. But if your chair is unusually small or oversized, check the fit carefully before purchase. At number 2 is FORCHEER Gaming Chair Cover. Did you know that even the most expensive gaming chairs can lose their sleek look in just a few months due to spills, scratches, and daily wear? That's exactly where the FORCHEER Gaming Chair Cover steps in. Tested for real-world comfort and designed to protect and refresh your chair instantly. Made from 95% polyester and 5% spandex, the high-density jacquard fabric feels soft, breathable, and surprisingly durable, offering year-round comfort while the stylish plaid pattern gives any chair a fresh, polished look. The elastic stretch and dual-side zippers, combined with seat ties, ensure a snug, non-slip fit that stays in place during long gaming sessions. Stain guard technology means spills bead up and wipe off easily, giving you peace of mind against accidents and pets. Compared with others in its category, this cover is incredibly easy to install in just 5 minutes while providing excellent protection and style. At just $18.99, it's a smart choice for gamers who want durability, comfort, and elegance without overspending. Perfect for most standard chairs, but oversized models may require a careful check before purchase. Now moving to the last one is GOWT Gaming Chair covers. Did you know that even premium gaming chairs can lose their elegance and comfort within months due to daily wear, spills, and pet scratches? The GOWT Gaming Chair covers tackle this exact issue, tested for real-world comfort and designed to protect and revitalize your chair instantly. Made from 92% polyester and 8% spandex, the elastic, breathable fabric wraps snugly around your chair, providing a soft, skin-friendly touch while defending against scratches, stains, and fading. The all-inclusive 4-piece set covering armrest, seat, and backrest ensures a secure fit that adapts perfectly to big and tall chairs, giving you peace of mind and a refreshed gaming setup. Installation is quick and effortless with a high-quality zipper taking only minutes, and cleaning is stress-free thanks to machine washable durability at 30 degrees Celsius. Compared with others in the top 5 category, this cover offers remarkable protection and comfort at just $17.05, making it a smart, budget-friendly choice. Ideal for gamers who want style, durability, and functionality, but be cautious if your chair has connected armrests, as the fit may not be perfect. After reviewing all 5, the clear winner is the YAWARAKY slipcover. Its blend of 59% cotton, polyester, and spandex provides unmatched softness, breathability, and elasticity, making it comfortable for long gaming sessions. The thick, durable fabric protects against scratches, spills, and wear while maintaining a premium look. Easy installation with zippers and snaps ensures a secure fit, and its adaptable design works for most chairs. Priced at $48.44, it's a long-term investment in durability, style, and comfort, perfect for gamers who want protection without compromising aesthetics. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 gaming chair cover. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.